Stock of the week, we're looking at Lululemon. Okay, what's going on here? Let me analyze it for you and set some context up first of all. The stock's been in the news a lot because Elliott, the activist hedge fund manager, has bought a substantial stake. They normally try and turn companies around by pressuring the board to make changes to how they run the business, and they want this business to go back to its roots. Now, I'm going to show you the chart again, but just to put it into context, we are now at the end of 2025 at the same price levels it was in at the end of 2019. Okay, so you've got 6 years of no price growth, right? And that should hopefully have built up something within the company. In terms of the analysts, every single major bank from UBS, Citigroup, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs are simply saying hold. They're not even saying buy, and analysts are conventionally relatively positive. I'm looking at this not from any of those perspectives or valuation, growth, or income. I'm simply looking at it in terms of a potential momentum play, a stock breaking out of a downward trend. So it's high risk. It's for high risk people. It's not a solicitation for you to go and buy it. It is an educational video on the high risk investment. Okay. And you can see the downward trend there. The best case projection I've put is 48% over 11 months. Where did I get that from? Well, I looked at historic periods of growth, or rather my team did, and they put this in front of me. Now, here's the thing. Where would you put a stop loss, and why would you put one? You're putting a stop loss because you're treating this not as an investment, but as a trade. So you're going to put the stop loss below a level it shouldn't reach if it's going to continue going up. So there's your stop loss, and your stop loss is your risk management, and that's a 30% to the downside. Now, unfortunately, 30% to the downside and call it 50% to the upside is not a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, which also makes the trade somewhat unattractive on that basis. What we're looking at here is you've got a rising monthly MACD, or at least it's flattened. It's flattened. It's not rising yet. It's flattened. So you might even want to wait a bit. The P ratio is cheap. If you look at the weekly, that's also going in the right direction. Okay. So you've got some things working for you. Now, what about money management? How does money management work? It works like this. Were your stop loss to be hit, you should not lose more than 1% of your total capital. That's how you decide how much money should go in. So a 30% drop in this stock would mean you don't lose more than 1%. Okay, of your money. You can do the maths. If you've got, I don't know, let's say £100,000, you don't want to lose more than £1,000, then you should only put, let's say, roughly £3,000 into this, because if it drops 30%, 30% of 3,000 is roughly 1,000. That's 1% of your 100,000. That's how you do the money management. Risk management, as I told you, 2-to-1 reward to risk. Now, this is trading. It's not investing. It is not pension suitable just off the back of that analysis alone. Okay. The reason it's stock of the week is I'm looking to teach you a bit more about, if you are going to analyze these things, how you might want to do it. Now, personally, it's not one for me because I look for value, growth, income, cash flow, Sortino, all of these things. But I do look for at least a minimum of 40% to the upside over 12 months. And it did at least tick that box. I hope you like the stock of the week. Now, if you did, I've got a small special request for you. If you'd like to see more of these going forward, then what I'd like you to do, please, is save this video, like it, because the algorithm on TikTok and on YouTube sends it to more people then. And if it goes to more viewers, I will continue doing these for free. So if you comment, that's really important. Even if your comment is great, or thumbs up, or I like it, okay? Any of those comments make a big difference. So please do that, and that way I'll get more views, more people will see it, you'll get more of these for free, everybody gets it for free. All you've got to do is press a button. Too much to ask? I hope not. I'd also like you to have a look at my campaign for $1million.com. During this festive season, you've probably got a bit more time to be looking at your pension and your investments and learning a bit more about these things and getting your life in order. Probably the best place I would suggest you start is campaignfor1million.com, from which you'd also be able to download a free copy of one of my 18 books as well. So thank you all very much. And please, as I say, share this video. The algorithm weighs that heavily. Save it. It weighs that heavily. Comment on it, please. It weighs that heavily as well. All those things matter. Thank you very much.